Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you how to update your AUR packages on an Arch-based Linux distro. First, open a terminal, Windows. Enter this command. I will read it out loud. Sudo pacman minus capital SYU and hit enter. Then type your password and hit enter. It will start to update some packages for you. Wait for it. If it shows up those packages and it's asked to proceed, type Y and enter. And wait for it to download. The pacman update data is slightly different than Yay, so you may need to know what is the differences between them. I do have a Yay packages updating procedure on my channel. You may want to watch it.